In this video, I will show you how to create Clickbank seller account. So let's jump straight into it. Now to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to clickbank.com, which is the official website for Clickbank. From here, you're going to see two options on the homepage, and you've got a section for affiliates and one for sellers. So to sign up for a seller account, what you need to do is click the blue button here, which says Sellers Start Here. Once you've done that, they're going to give you some questions, which are going to help customize your Clickbank experience. Now, you don't have to do this. You can skip this by clicking here, but if you want to, you can go through and just answer these quick questions. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and skip past this quick start guide. Next, you'll be taken to a screen where you can actually go ahead and sign up for your seller account. So all you need to do on this screen is go ahead and fill in the details on here. So for example, you want to put your country, your name, phone number, email address and password. Tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions, which you can read by clicking the button here. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply click the blue Join Clickbank button. After clicking the button, what's going to happen, they're going to take you through the steps to set up your seller account. So you just want to basically go through the steps to get everything set up, which will involve things like adding your payment method for how you're going to get paid. And there may also be an identity verification process, which would involve sending something like a photocopy of your driver's license or passport to verify your ID. But once that's all done, your seller account will be good to go. You'll be set up ready to start selling on Clickbank. So that's how to create Clickbank seller account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.